I think I've achieved a lot in my life based on what I've set for myself is only because I've made my choices myself. And these were not options that were forced onto me.
Hi, this is L. Nitin Chaudia.
Hi, I'm L. Nitin Chaudia. I'm India's first certified chocolate taster.
Nitin is also a consultant, educator, and the co-founder of Coco Trade, a unique sustainable brand and the world's only zero-waste chocolate brand. Nitin's main objective with his efforts is to promote the creations of chocolate makers, and this is what he believes.
So I think the amount of love I have for my work is phenomenal only because it's chocolate, right? So I was lucky enough to ensure that I start doing work on something that I love. I found it difficult initially to figure out what it was, but when I stumbled upon a career which will entail tasting chocolates and educating people, I think that's when I decided that this is what is going to work for me. I think that is what I should be doing through my life. The fact is that somebody has to push you. While you may be self-motivated, while you have enough motivation, there has to be a constant support, a pillar who will say, listen, it doesn't matter if you fall, right? But I'm there to pick you up and ensure that you don't look back again. I think that inspiration came from my family, specifically my dad, who's always been very clear that, listen, it doesn't matter if it works or not, but at least you've tried. And that inspiration has to come from a source. In my case, it was my dad. I'm very happy that I got a chance that I was able to get my wife included in the business in the sense that she came up front and she said, listen, I love what you guys are doing. Can I also be a part of it? And I think that's the blessing in disguise because when family is around, when my wife can professionally contribute to the business, we spend more time together. That's one obvious advantage. But the second advantage is that we also might have differences in opinions, but we also understand that we're two different human beings and we actually get closer to each other, which I think might not have happened if I was working separately, she was working separately, and we just met in the evening. That doesn't work out in a relationship. And you might be very successful in life, you may achieve a lot, but if you've not achieved enough at home, it makes no sense. And then when you have a family to look up to, I think you have enough reasons every day to get motivated, to work more smartly and more effectively in those 8-9 hours that you would normally set out for yourself. When I started this journey of chocolates and getting interested, diving into chocolates, the previous 3 years of my life, I spent alone in the States with my family visiting me once in a while and I visiting them once in a while. They were based here. So, I couldn't be happier with what I'm doing. And I realized how important family becomes, right? A month or two is fine, but then after that, you realize the value of what you don't have. And when this happened to me, when I decided I want to leave my corporate life and do something of my own for myself, I realized that what we're consuming actually is sugar more than chocolate, right? And you'll see a large publicity happening about kuch meetha ho jaye, right? Which means that you're actually targeting the customer with something sweet, which is really a replacement for an Indian sweet. Now, I realized that while everyone may be going that direction, it always helps and pays if you go the other way. And if you can find a market that will help build value to the final consumer. And I think for me, Fine Chocolates did exactly that. But having said that, for us, it was absolutely critical that we use the most honest ingredients in our products. Now, the reason for that is it's easy to be complicated in the number of things that you do, but it's very difficult to remain simple. While the large market is being catered to or being targeted by various large companies, for us, it should be a smaller niche segment where there is a real potential for growth. And that's when I decided that getting into the finer side of chocolate is what I wanted to. I realized that not every dark chocolate is very bitter. Every bean has a different flavor profile, a different expression. So the resultant chocolate could be very different based on what beans you're using. So for us, it's very important to be honest with what you do and also be reflective of that honesty in your product. So for me, I'm very happy. I mean, fortunately for me, my kids enjoy chocolate, so they are here once in a while and I get a lot more time with them. And now I think it gives me more confidence that I should be spending a lot more time with my family, because every time I spend even 3 days away or 4 days away, I'm reminded of the 3 years I spent without them, and it gets me wanting more, in terms of spending time with family. And I think a lot of us have realized even during the pandemic how valuable it is spending time with family, right? So I'm happy that it happened way back in 2014 for me. I think that's my biggest takeaway. And definitely the learning out of it is, do not take anyone for granted. Your family is the biggest blessing God has ever given you, and it will continue to be. And I think chocolate has been, and I think still is and will remain, my love for a very long time.